And those Sams are biting my legs. Help me.
And the gas is slowing down as it goes out. So without our dear fossil fuels, we're going no place until they invent the perfected battery-powered motorboat. Okay, it's buggy and chance of storms today, which we're a tiny bit worried about. So the radar had a bit of a thunderstorm offshore, but it's kind of blown back into town and it dissolved. So at the moment we have a clear slate, which is good, because who needs a thunderstorm? Hope that's in focus here. Totally and utterly peaceful here on Magnolia Canal. Until we start the motor. But even then it's pretty quiet. I don't know whether you can see it, but just below the surface of the water are about 4 billion little fingerlings, about an inch long. Some problems with the motor here. Got gas. The dead man switch is okay. And we only got one little burble out of it. Good. All right, we got the motor problem solved, even though the throttle device was in neutral physically. It hadn't been waggled around enough for the neutral sensor to be activated, so it was not a neutral problem. And then that threw us for such a loop that we decided to leave the dock without disconnecting this whip. So it's become an unwanted passenger. And then I left my line in the water and it was dragging behind the boat, threatening to get tangled. And then I nearly dropped my glasses overboard.
So now we're gonna go out and dodge thunderstorms and see if we fare any better.
Yeah, we're off to a rollicking start here. I think there's been probably 2 major trans-ischemic attacks that have clouded our thinking. But at least we're aware of it.
Or
no, don't go there, Captain. You have to blot that out. All right, I'm trying to myself a mackerel here. We're trolling, doing 7 miles an hour by the book, and hopefully something will jump my lure. I don't think I've ever actually caught a fish with this lure. I've gotten a few bites. Worth a try. John's got one going too. We've landed on Redfish Island again. Familiar tale. There's a fair number of people out here though. I guess everybody's afraid of the weather forecast for out in the ocean, so we're gonna try this for a little bit. Brought my pole ashore. We'll see what happens. Well, the tide is washed over the island, and John did catch a ladyfish. Future grouper bait is what it is. But we're heading to the trout stake. Yeah. So we come out the Withlacoochee Canal to marker 33, and we make the right turn and start heading north. Out into the open ocean. Yeah. Nothing bad coming. I checked the last radar check, looked semi-safe, so we're going for it. Trout stake, here we go. Just gotta follow the marks. So we've arrived at the rough position of the trout stake. The trout stake was a stake that somebody drove into the flats out here in the Wakasasa Bay, or that area, because it was a good place to catch sea trout. And so it became known as the trout stake. It showed up on charts. Well, the trout stake got blown away in the storms, but we're in the rough vicinity of it and we're drifting right now. And we're surrounded by large sea creatures that break the surface of the water. I just saw something that looked 3 or 4 feet long. I don't know whether it's a sea turtle, an otter, a shark, but there's stuff splashing all around us, but they're not taking any bait right at the moment. We have had no bites. So, but this is where we've done some of our best fishing, where if you get into a herd of trout, it just goes crazy. There's sharks will go slashing through there. You drop anything into it and you'll catch something. But so far it's quiet. So I'm studying the water, and I'm also studying that ominous thundercloud over there. And why is it when I'm thinking there's like an echo or something? Does that mean there's a lot of room in here? What is my position in the universe? What am I going to do with my life? Who am I? Where did I come from? Oh, I'll just go fishing. Yeah, it might be a good idea. Pretty impressive line of thunderstorms lining up here on land. That thing is making noises. Doesn't look too big here on the camera, but it's clattering away. It shows up on the radar. All right, we're done fishing for the day, and the score is us, nothing, ocean. Oh, wait, that's right. I'm wrong. Let's go look at the little bugger here. There. John caught this. And, yeah, it's bait.
Bait for the future.
As you've said in previous videos, this fish, no matter how you attempt to prepare it, tastes hideous.
You could probably pickle it like pickled herring or something.
Right, you'd have to annihilate it. Yeah, something. Yeah.
Soak it in vinegar for a month or two, and it'd probably be okay.
But not this guy. Wow, those clouds back there. This is kind of pretty, very dramatic. The still water. Whoa, that must have been a turtle that just jumped there. Well, even if we didn't catch anything, it was a beautiful day outside. Get you away from your normal workaday issues.
Hey, puppies.
These guys again.
You again.
Woof.
Want doggy bone?
Hey, that barking. Come on, you're supposed to bark. I think I already said all this. No fish. Nice day. And there's a breeze blowing in off the ocean, so the no-see-ums are kind of down at a tolerable level. That's nice. One other little bit of housekeeping here. We managed to drive away with the whip. We've all done it once. Except perfect people who've never done it, but we've done it once. I've done it once. Got to put this guy back because the tides are about 5 feet tall right now, and you got to have whips or it's a problem. And luckily, the neighbor had a drill. This guy's got good tools, bits, everything. Think that's enough?
No, I just wanted to mark them.
Oh.